Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So I have taken out cards for Capricorn. This is a general reading from 1st to 15th of May. The cards are like obstacle, guidance and outcome which you might come across during the first 15 days of May. This is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So let's see what the cards have for you. What's the obstacle that might come across or you might be facing right now, Capricorn is? Okay, I think you are juggling between two things. You are kind of, not able to decide which one is more important. Okay, and because you are not able to decide, it's like it's causing overthinking, anxiety. It's like you are dancing in the same loop, doing the same activity again and again, but not able to decide on a particular, like between two situations, you have to make choice and you're not able to make that choice. Okay, that's in a very simple way if I say. So okay, that's the issue here. So you need to figure out, okay, you instead of overthinking, try to have some practical, you know, practical way of looking at things. Let's see what's the guidance coming for you here. Yeah, see, so here the guidance for you is, see, this is 2 of Pentacles, this is 9 of Pentacles. So basically related to your work or related to your finances, related to your money, you are kind of overthinking and juggling between things on how to make things better. But at the same time, guidance for you here is to change your perspective and be grateful for what you have. Okay, you need to be thankful for what you have because you already have enough and you do not have to actually go with this cycle of overthinking. Okay, so you need to be very patient, you need to be very, in a very calm manner. You have to decide between which one is more important and important for your highest good or for your growth, and ultimately which is, taking you towards your goal or the plan you have. Okay, so you do not have to overthink. Instead, you need to have a proper plan with a very calm and composed mind, and then you need to decide which one you need to opt for. Yeah, okay, let's see what's the outcome for you, Capricorn. Okay, 3 of Swords. So I think outcome here is when you are too, see, it can be for some of you, what I see is when you are too much focused on your money, you are somewhere kind of, keeping yourself so much busy in your work, in your money matters, in your finances, that you do not get enough time to look into the emotional pain or emotional wound you have. That is what's for some of you, I think it's the situation. And because you are somewhere, it happens that when you are too much emotionally drained, or you have come across or gone through so much of emotional pain that you're like, no, I don't want to give enough time to myself that I can look into my emotions and feel my pain. Rather, I would keep myself so much busy in my work that I don't get time to, think of my pain or what I have gone through. Okay, so for some of you, I see that is the situation. For some of you, it can also be like when you're too much busy in your work, you might come across something which will cause you so much of emotional wound or emotional pain that you may not be thinking of right now. Okay, so you have to be very careful with your emotions when you're too much focused on your work. Okay, don't ignore your emotions, don't ignore your heart. Okay, because see, when you're happy, things work in a much better way, right? So do not try to ignore your emotions, do not try to ignore your pain. Focus on self love also. Focus on healing your pain, healing your heart. Okay, so that is also somewhere the outcome is that you are too much focused on your work, that you are ignoring your heart, and your heart needs love, it needs self healing. Okay, okay, yep. So that's the reading, Capricorn. So if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel and for daily tarot insights. And if you want me to make a detailed reading for the next 15 days of May and the months coming forward, please do let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.